My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope that you're all well. We are doing chapter number 7, first year FSC Mathematics Inter Part 1. And we are doing chapter number 7, Permutation, Combination, and Probability. Right. So we are doing exercise 7.4 and I'll do some questions of it today. First question is, show that 16C11 plus 16C 10 equals to 17C11. Right. So just taking the left-hand side, 16C11 plus 16C10. Expanding these, 16 factorial divided by 11 factorial and 16 minus 11 factorial plus 16 factorial, 10 factorial and 16 minus 10 factorial. Right, so 16 factorial divided by 11 factorial times 5 factorial plus 16 factorial, 10 factorial and 6 factorial. Okay, we'll not expand these. We'll just take common. From the numerator, we can common 16 factorial. From the denominator, 10 factorial and 5 factorial. 1 from 11 factorial, you get and plus 1 over 5. Sorry, 6, okay, because we have taken 5 factorial common. So we have 16 factorial, 10 factorial, 5 factorial divided by taking the LCMs, 11 times 6. And this will become 6 plus 11. Right? 16 factorial. Now we can write 11 times 10 factorial multiply 6 times 5 factorial. And here we have 17. So 17 times 6 factorial would be 17 factorial. Eleven times 10 factorial is 11 factorial. And 6 times 5 factorial is 6 factorial. So which may be written as 17C 11. Even we can write it 17C6 as well. So which is equals to the right hand side. So hence proved. Right. Now comes to question number next. Evaluate 20C17. Right. So by using the formula, 20C17 equals to 20 factorial divided by this 17 factorial and 20 minus 3 factorial. Sorry, 17 factorial. This will become 20, 19, 18, and 17 factorial divided by this 17 factorial and this 3 factorial. Sorry, this 17 factorial got cancelled with this, and we left with 20 times 19 times 18 divided by 6. 6 3 the 18. And we have the answer 1140. This is the answer. Let's solve the next question. We have to find the value of NC4. Evaluate NC4. So using the formula n factorial, n minus 4 factorial, and 4 factorial. Right? So this n factorial may be written as n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and n minus 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial times n minus 4 factorial. These two got cancelled. We left with n minus 1, n minus 2, and n minus 3 divided by 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So our final answer is n minus 1, n minus 2, and n minus 3 divided by 24. This is our final answer. Okay, I hope you understand it well. And if there are some doubts, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on every thumbnail of the video. Now find the value of n, number 4. Find n if NC5 is equal to NC4. NC5 equals to NC4. Right, so just doing it. So we know that NCR equals to NCN minus R, right? So we can write it NC5 equals to NCN minus 4. So n minus 4 equals to 5 implies n equals to 9 is our answer. So one more question I'm doing. Question number 5 today. NC10 equals to 12 times 11 divided by 10 factorial. This is 12. right? It is 2 factorial rather, not 10. 12 times 11 divided by 2 factorial. Right, okay, so we can write it n factorial divided by 10 factorial and n minus 10 factorial equals to 12 times 11 divided by 2 factorial. Because this is 10 here, we just multiply and divide by 10 factorial on the right hand side. On the left hand side, we have n factorial divided by 10 factorial and n minus 10 factorial. So we have 12 times 11 times 10 factorial divided by 10 factorial. So on the right hand side, we can write n factorial over 10 factorial. 2 factorial is also there. Okay. And n minus 10 factorial equals to 12 factorial. We can write this 2 as 12 minus 2 factorial and this 10 factorial. So now we can easily see that n equals to 12. We can easily see that write n minus 10 right. So we can observe that n is equal to 12. So this concludes our today's lesson. And if you don't understand anything, so you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and share it on your media groups. Press the bell icon button so that you may get the notification of newly uploaded videos. Thank you very much for sharing. Thank you very much for subscribing my channel. Thank you very much. Allah aapka हामी nasir ho.